Titas, we arrived here at Missouri Ranch Farm.
See you tomorrow, Kuya.
Close Hannah's screen, man. Close Hannah's screen.
Good morning, Mr. Chanterelle. I love your cat.
Can you hear me?
Hi, Titas and Titas. We just arrived here at Missouri Ranch Farm. Come on and join us. Titas and Titas, we're here now in the train.
Okay, folks, welcome to Grant's Farm. Before we begin, here's the best Grant. Off to our right, I'll point out we have a spring-fed 7-acre lake. It's called Mirror Lake. If you look across the street, you're going to see a property that's a federally run property, National Park run. It's not a national park, but it is free to visit. It's called Mines Creek off to our left. He would ride from the barracks down the creek to visit this family that he did know, and in the process he met and fell in love, and eventually married Julia, Dad Frederick's sister. He was in the brewing industry, and he was hired by a gentleman
Remember
named
last time
Eberhard.
when we fed the goats? They're eating your hair, your bag, and your
He
scarf.
married the daughter and worked for his father-in-law. Became the president of that small brewery in 1872 and gathered the name officially of Anheuser-Busch. Okay, we're good to go. So you might notice that we have long grass here. That's not an omission on the part of our grounds crew. At this time of the year, we've had quite a few young. They're there because their security. They actually have a deep-rooted hatred for anything that's dog-like in size, such as a coyote or a fox, and they will go after you. They're very few attacks from the ground. You have the eagles and the hawks that give us problem. It's the Twin Lake part of the farm right here. Several years ago, we had a totem project. We hired some very good artisans to come in and decorate some distressed trees that were going to be removed. Over on the right.
To the left, because they're over there, Mom.
What's that? Oh yeah, over there, Andy. See those?
Oh yeah, there's some red deer over there on the left going up that.
There, a lot. You see?
The does are
there's a lot of those.
right now, so we can't keep your 8 arms to themselves.
Remember we couldn't go across the bridge because we
Alam mo ba na ang bamboo is the tallest grass?
Hi, Visitas! We arrived! Now, let's visit some exhibits. Come on, join us! First thing I want to do is feed the ghost. Yeah. It's my favorite. Now we're here inside the farm. We can go feed those goats up there with the baby bottles.
Just use one.
There you go.
Thank you. We'll wait for our turn. There's a lot of people. We'll wait for our turn, okay?
Mom, what if he accidentally mistakes your baby's bottle for one of these?
We're gonna go park A round right now.
hold it up to be honest, so they don't attack you. Hold it up, hold it up, hold it up. Like this, like this.
Oh no!
Oh no.
Go get it! Go get it! Huwag mo paubos!
Oh my gosh!
Go get it!
Here, here, hold. Watch out, go pee-pee there, watch out.
Mom, let's try to chew on your bag. Oh my gosh! Where's the milk pitcher? You're begging now.
Naman. Ano ba to? Go down, go down. Go down.
What if I came home? There's some little ones over there, guys.
Get down! Look at it. No.
Hannah!
Take a look around. My finger. No, get away. Oh, it doesn't have horns yet. It doesn't have horns. Where's the horn? Ah! Where is it? Where's the horns of it? No, stop!
Ay, kinakain mo. Sama. Ayun o, kinakain yung hair mo.
It's eating my chest. Now we're gonna ride the merry-go-round. Those babies were called kids. Centuries before human children were called kids. Now they're called cows. Ooh, they look for hand. What if they get stuck because of their horns? I don't have no food. Look.
Hold them.
Even his feet has feathers.
I know, right?
Look, he took a step and he went like, and hairy feet. Are there guinea pigs in there? In their house? I see a guinea pig in their house. Look, come over here, you'll see one.
Coming to me?
What if he spits in his face?
Mukhang buntis.
I didn't do that, go!
It's pregnant. Hannah, here.
No. Look at that one up there on the hook. There's someone there.
Look, Hannah. Hannah, look.
What?
Just put your finger.
There. Oh, yeah. Wait. I'm like, what's happening?
Are you guys happy?
Yeah, I like this thing. I'm never leaving. Hey, what are you eating? Mom! I got it! And it's pretty too!
Are you happy?
Yeah! Wow! Breayannah, look! Wait, can I put it on
That's
my
so
head?
cool.
Wait, can I put it on my head?
Oh, look at Hannah. Hannah have one too. She have two. I'll smile here. You got it. Breayannah, look at your dad. Are you happy? Yes.
Big smile.
A big smile. Say cheese.
Perfect. Good job.
It's Ada's turn. Mag-hi ka dito sa vlog. Mag-smile ka dun. Dun, oh.
I get confused sometimes. I'm sorry. All right, little lady, big smiles over here for me.
Madaling smile.
Perfect. I'll look right down there.
O dito, smile. Magkaway ka. Okay, bye. What happened? sit.
Alright, I'll open
Who's that?
it. Me. This is Hannah.
May I see yours again? Wow. Show it here. No, you don't have to open it. Just show it. Baka mahulog pa.
Put your hand in. Okay. Don't stick your face in.
Where's your dad? You like it?
Hi, Divas. I'm gonna get a face.
What you gonna say?
Thank you. You're welcome. Anything else, guys?
A little bit.
I like it.
You like it? Okay. Hi, Hannah. Yay, Hannah. Come on, you want to feed the baby goats?
Yeah.
Go, Dali.
What if they try eating my face, babe?
Here, Hannah. Yana.
Look at the big turtle.
Oh, it's following you, Hannah.
The shell is actually part of their bones.
Oh.
Because if you take them off, they would probably die, maybe.
Oh. Say bye.
Bye. It's
kalabaw yan eh. Basta ka.
When I was 5, I found a ruby, not knowing it was a ruby, and then I threw it away. I threw a ruby away.
So we learned that.
Hi, I got a bomb pop. So did Hannah.
Funnel cake though. Yeah, funnel cake. Look at that. You have ice cream too? That's nice. There's ice cream.
Hey, why are you eating mine?
Breayannah, what are you ice cream?
We got funnel cakes. She wanted strawberry, I wanted Oreo.
So we did half and half.
Do you have anything to hold your hair?
Ayun o, si Breayannah meron.
What do you have that, Breayannah?
Yeah, I want to have one in case. You know.
Breayannah,
Why?
Breayannah. Hold on.
She got strawberry. Maddie is muncher. Maddie is a muncher.
Don't make a mess.
This is muncher. Ow, 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 ow. Hannah. Ow. This is Jane. Look right here, this is Jane.
Hi, Jane.
I want like, hi Jane. Oh, it has a fly. Wait, oh, it's so near its eye.
Hi, Jane.
Whoa. I thought there was a straw in here. I almost went.
Brown Swiss.
This is not a brown Swiss. It's opposite of the picture. Yep.
Yeah.
I don't know cows. Just pull it.
Takot ka eh.
What you make up,
Ew.
Take a look at the surroundings. I don't know what this is. What is this?
I'll drink it.
Oh, okay. Yeah.
Wait, andali lang.
Alright.
here, Hannah.
Hannah, look here.
Hannah, look here.
Hannah, so we can picture it. Hannah. Bye guys. Thanks for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe and hit the notification bell for more. Bye. See you on my next vlog.
So I looked at, there's a staff that was going to have a potty.
Hi guys. We're here at Sushi Station. We're gonna eat sushi. That's what I think because it says sushi.
Eastport, Illinois. I-64 East, US 40 East, I-70 East, Port, Illinois.
No. Building over there. Look. Like, it's
Oh, yeah, huh?
it's on stone and it looks like a lighthouse, but it isn't.
Police reported ahead.
Thank you, Tiz and Titas, for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe and hit the notification bell for more. Bye. See you on my next vlog.